my terrarium in the dark, and that's while I work on many things. Here's my kind of working area. But what time do you think it is? It's so dark. I'll tell you what time it is. It's noon in Florida. So we are in the rainy season. What do you think? And you know what? We consider this not a really big rain either. It's dark. See? Like, there comes Miss Martha. It's dark like it's 9 p.m. So, but I have my terrarium. It's always on. And it's so cool. I'm working on some updates on Etsy. This piece particularly is already out there, and it's beautiful. I love it. The taco. I made this batch really pretty much glaze free for those who likes it glaze free. Yeah, so just wanted to show you how cool it is at night. At night. At noon. Yeah, but it's been going on now for a couple of days. And hopefully and probably we'll have problems with the rot. We gotta pull out some, you know, fungicide and stuff like that. But it's been like this for 4 days. We had a little break for a couple of hours, but it's obviously not enough. And this is, like I said, it's not even a strong rain for us. Okay. I'm singing in the rain. Crazy. Then I'll repeat myself for the 15th time. This is just a little rain we consider in Florida. But it's already... Yeah. Uh-oh. This girl likes it. I'm sure these guys like it too. I have one over there. And my plumeria. And the epidendrum over there. Probably enjoys it. Uh-oh. Lightning. Boom. Can you imagine how big these drops are? You can even see them in the camera. So yeah, I was very much on time with my Etsy pictures because I make them outside. Wish us luck. This is, by the way, one of my taco shells. You can also use them for your succulents. Looks cute. These are a little bit abandoned because the water doesn't get here, but I water it. Looks cute. Okay, guys. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah, it will not. Have a great day. Nature is beautiful. And this is the back. There are some things drying here. Cindy, look what I made. Poor Cindy was asking me to make this for I don't know how long. So some stuff is drying. I don't know how long it will be drying here because humidity is crazy. And then there's just this little rain outside. The famous greenhouse. Maybe you guys need to go out there and get some rain. What do you think? I think I clearly heard yes. So, little rain, little rain. Now this is all the orchid video you're gonna get, guys. Here, I'll show you one flower. Come on, camera. Yay! Oh, I wanted to go out there. There's no way. Look, I opened the door and it's dun 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 dun. And this is raised, okay? So, and that's my. Are they gonna get soaked? The orchids under that tree usually don't get much water from the, like a small rain, because this tree protects them. But now, yeah, they will get it. Every single one. You want to go take a swim? Right there. The funniest thing is the minute this rain will go kind of down, you will start hearing the frogs. They go crazy with their songs. Here's some orchids in the dark for you. You girls are beautiful. I'm crazy. Clearly, I mean, look at me talking to my orchids in the rain. Okay guys, just a little update on the happy Florida living for you. Talk to you later. Have a great day.